Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be exploring one of the most mind-bending concepts in physics, parallel universes. While the idea of multiple realities might sound like science fiction, it is actually a legitimate area of scientific inquiry that many respected physicists have explored. One of the most well-known figures in this field is the late Stephen Hawking, who proposed 4 possible ways that parallel universes could exist. In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into each of these 4 theories, examining the evidence that supports them and the potential implications they could have for our understanding of the universe. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp on the different ways that parallel universes could exist, and why this area of research is so fascinating to scientists and science enthusiasts alike. So buckle up and get ready to take a journey through the mind-bending world of parallel universes, as we explore the groundbreaking work of Stephen Hawking. The many worlds theory is one of the most well-known and hotly debated ideas in the field of parallel universes. This theory suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually happens in different universes, each with its own version of reality. In other words, there are infinite versions of reality out there, each slightly different from the next. To help illustrate this concept, let's look at the famous Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. Imagine that you place a cat in a box with a vial of poison, and a quantum event will determine whether or not the poison is released. According to the many worlds theory, at the moment the quantum event occurs, the universe splits into 2, one where the cat is alive, and one where the cat is dead. In one reality, you would open the box to find a living cat, and in the other, a dead one. While this theory is fascinating, it has also faced some criticism. One of the main criticisms is that it can be difficult to test experimentally. The idea of multiple universes existing side by side is a difficult one to observe and quantify, making it hard to confirm the theory with hard evidence. Additionally, the idea of multiple universes goes against our common sense understanding of reality, which can be a tough pill for some people to swallow. Overall, the many worlds theory offers a fascinating glimpse into the possibilities of parallel universes, and raises some intriguing questions about the nature of reality. While it may not be perfect, it is certainly a concept worth exploring further. Despite these criticisms, the many worlds theory has continued to capture the imagination of physicists and the general public alike. It offers a potential solution to some of the paradoxes that arise in quantum mechanics, and could help us better understand the nature of the universe. One interesting aspect of this theory is that it implies that every decision we make creates a new universe. For example, if you choose to turn left instead of right at a particular intersection, the many worlds theory suggests that 2 new universes are created, one where you turned left, and one where you turned right. In this way, the theory posits that there are an infinite number of universes out there, each with its own unique set of circumstances. While it may be difficult to test experimentally, the many worlds theory remains one of the most intriguing ideas in the field of parallel universes. It challenges our assumptions about reality and raises some profound questions about the nature of the universe. Whether or not the theory ultimately proves to be correct, it is certainly a concept that will continue to capture the imagination of scientists and science enthusiasts for years to come. Moving on to the second way that parallel universes could exist, let's talk about inflationary cosmology. This theory suggests that our universe is just one of many bubbles that formed during the rapid expansion of the universe after the Big Bang. According to this theory, the universe underwent a period of exponential growth, or inflation, in the moments after the Big Bang. During this time, tiny quantum fluctuations were amplified to cosmic scales, eventually leading to the formation of the large-scale structures we see in the universe today. However, inflationary cosmology also suggests that these quantum fluctuations could have resulted in the formation of many different universes, each with its own unique properties. While this theory may sound far-fetched, there is actually some evidence to support it. Observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang, show subtle variations in temperature that could be explained by the inflationary model. These observations suggest that the universe underwent a period of rapid expansion, which is a key prediction of the theory. However, one potential issue with the inflationary cosmology theory is that it can be difficult to explain why our universe has the particular properties that it does. For example, why is the universe flat, and why is the cosmological constant so small? These questions remain open problems in physics, and suggests that there may be more to the story of our universe than we currently understand. Overall, the inflationary cosmology theory offers a fascinating perspective on the potential existence of parallel universes. While there are still many open questions and areas of debate, the idea that our universe is just one of many bubbles in an infinitely expanding cosmic landscape is certainly an intriguing one. Let's now move on to the third way that parallel universes could exist: brane theory. This theory posits that our universe exists on a brane, short for membrane, that is one of many floating in a higher dimensional space. According to brane theory, the universe we experience is a four-dimensional slice of a higher dimensional space, much like how a two-dimensional slice of a three-dimensional object can appear as a flat surface. This theory suggests that our universe could be just one of many branes floating in this higher dimensional space, with each brane representing a separate universe. One potential implication of brane theory is that our universe could collide with other branes, potentially causing catastrophic events. This collision could create a burst of energy, leading to the formation of new universes or even the destruction of our own. However, it's important to note that brane theory is still an area of active research, and there is not yet conclusive evidence to support it. While the idea of a higher dimensional space containing multiple universes is certainly intriguing, it remains a speculative idea that requires further investigation. Overall, the concept of brane theory offers a fascinating perspective on the potential existence of parallel universes. While there is still much we don't understand about the nature of our universe, the possibility that it exists as one of many branes floating in a higher dimensional space is certainly a thought-provoking idea. Lastly, let's discuss the fourth way that parallel universes could exist: through the concept of time travel. Some physicists have suggested that if time travel were possible, it could create a branching timeline where each decision creates a new universe. Essentially, each time a person travels back in time and makes a different decision, a new universe would be created to accommodate that decision. This idea has been explored in science fiction for decades, but there are some scientists who believe that it could be a legitimate possibility. If it were true, it would mean that every possible decision that could be made has been made in some alternate universe. However, the concept of time travel is highly speculative, and there is no scientific consensus on whether or not it is even possible. Many physicists believe that time travel violates the laws of physics, making it an unlikely possibility. Despite this, the idea of time travel and the potential for alternate universes that it presents is still a fascinating one to contemplate. The possibility of meeting alternate versions of oneself and exploring the endless possibilities of the universe is a concept that captures the imagination of scientists and science fiction fans alike. In conclusion, the concept of parallel universes is a fascinating and complex area of scientific inquiry. While the idea may seem like science fiction, there are multiple theories that suggest the existence of parallel universes, including the many worlds theory, inflationary cosmology, brane theory, and the potential for alternate universes created through time travel. While there is still much we don't understand about the universe, the possibility of parallel universes opens up a world of endless possibilities and exciting scientific exploration. To sum up, we have explored the four possible ways that parallel universes could exist, according to the late Stephen Hawking. These include the many worlds theory, inflationary cosmology, brane theory, and the idea that alternate universes could be created through time travel. While these theories are still being debated, they show the depth of scientific inquiry into the nature of the universe. It's important to note that while there is not yet conclusive evidence to support any of these theories, the fact that they are even being considered shows how much our understanding of the universe has evolved. The possibility of parallel universes presents us with a tantalizing glimpse into the complexity and mystery of the universe that we still have yet to fully comprehend. As we continue to explore and understand the universe, it's possible that we will uncover more evidence to support these theories or even develop entirely new theories altogether. The field of cosmology is constantly evolving, and the possibility of parallel universes is just one area of research that continues to captivate scientists and science enthusiasts alike. So, as we conclude this video, we invite you to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe with an open mind and an insatiable curiosity. Who knows what new discoveries may lie just beyond the horizon of our understanding?